Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, my name is Tom E, and I have a question for you. Would you like to take advantage of a huge YouTube and Instagram oversight by legally siphoning thousands of targeted buyer clicks that was never meant for you? We're talking at no cost to you and without ever posting any content. No posts, no videos, no shorts, no content, no ads, no budget. You see, my partner Max and I have found something very, very cool. A glitch, loophole, oversight, call it what you want. The point is that it lets us legally redirect real buyer traffic from Instagram and YouTube straight to our own links with no ads, without spending a penny, and without posting any content. No one else knows about this. And we're talking about traffic that usually goes to influencers, ad buyers, and big brands now being redirected to us and our students. We don't ever have to worry about content, algorithms, audience building, or any of those exhausting things that usually go hand in hand with social media. And the best part, of course, is the money that we're making from those clicks. Now, where did all that money come from? People on Instagram and YouTube scrolling, watching videos and posts, photos, clicking links who got siphoned, rerouted, redirected to our pages instead, courtesy of our redirection system. You can use it to build buyers lists, generate sales, promote anything you want, or anything else you can think of, all without content, without showing your face, and without spending a penny. This is fresh, guys. Never been done before. And it's not a trick either. This is a real blind spot that Instagram and YouTube haven't patched yet. And while it's still wide open, we're going to keep using it hard. And we're inviting you to do the same. We call it the Big Redirect. And inside, we show you exactly how it works, step by step, click by click, so you can be up and running within minutes. So if you're tired of grinding out content, chasing algorithms, begging people to buy from your emails, or waiting months to build momentum, the Big Redirect is here to change all that for you. Let us show you how to redirect buyer traffic that was never meant for you legally, so you can finally start making some consistent, meaningful money online. To get in on this, click the buy button below, and I'd be honored to have you join our redirecting antics inside of the Big Redirect. All right, thank you, and I'll see you on the inside.